Hey there everyone, it's Maria with Angelfish Design, and today I have two ephemera packs, winter theme, to share with you, and these will be listed in my Etsy shop. I'll have the links for you below or in my profile. Now, there's two of them, 1 and 2. They are super similar with just slight variations in the images that are included in each. So I will quickly go through both of them. They are in this super cute little pouch. Has this stamped embellishment stitched to it with some layers of tulle and ribbon and stamping. And I just use this little binder clip that has a smiley face on it. Ooh, it's very crinkly. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a little smiley face cut into the metal of the binder clip. So, and then it's stitched all around the edge of the pouch with lace and fabrics and winter themes. Okay, there's that. And there's this whole stack of all kinds of ephemera goodies. There's a little beautiful snow, some tags. I get 6 guest checks and this little triangle paper clip. 3 are undyed, 3 are fantastic grungy coffee stained. You will get a little scrap pack of papers, all different kinds, printed scrapbooks. This is a piece of a napkin that I decoupaged onto some wrapping paper, and it has a nice heavy-duty cardstock on the back. That's great in case you want to tuck that piece into a pocket or over a page, and you can use everything that is on here. Just clip it off, add it to your projects. Even the baker's twine, you can unwrap that and use that as well. And you'll also get a fabric scrap pack. That's some crocheted trim. And this is some scraps left over from how I did those. The edge of the pouch there. A little bit of felt, some ribbon, some of this really fun snow textured tulle, some organza, some prints, more types of tulle, netting, and this is also backed with some cardstock, so you can put that in your journal if you want, the same way you do with the paper scrap pack. And then it would stick out like that, and you would be able to see that above your book. Okay, then let's see if there's anything. So you have all these fun little packets of goodies that can be added to journals. Okay, we'll quickly go through each one of those. This is a little slot pouch, the stitched Tim Holtz die, and it has the built-in clip on the back, so you just slide that onto the side of your page, and that little dangle will hang off the edge. And it has all kinds of tiny little goodies in there. Some ephemera from Artie Mays's, I'll put it down below. I can't think of the name of it off the top of my head, but it's her winter kit. It's very pretty. This is a little fold out on some tea stained paper. So you'll get all of that. This is just a little pocket that's been stamped and has some napkin attached to it. You have a little tree clip there. More tags. And that pretty one, it says Winter Wonderland. And this is a little tree and snowman. This one, I believe, is from Mrs. Coggs Crafts on Etsy, her digital downloads. Love using all the digitals in my project. Okay, we'll clip that later. All right, in this one, you have this clip that you could add to your journal. Nice little snowflake. And again, more Artie Mays. Very pretty designs. A tag. And this is a little envelope stamped and has napkins on it. And some more tags and ephemera and a cute little squirrel. What is this? This is just a cutout. All right. All those goodies. All right, and this is a little pouch with a little rolled back section there and some stamping again. More stamping on the back. Some thesaurus dictionary paper. And this is, whoops, this, I don't know which way it's supposed to go, is butterflies, a little sticker. Now this is a little bit older. It's been in my stash for a while, so I would probably not rely on the adhesive that's part of it. I would use something a little stronger to go ahead and glue that into your journal. And this is just a cute little notebook, a little notepad. The owl on it. Okay. Alright, so that is everything that is in the first pouch. And again, the second pouch is very similar, just slightly different imagery. My goodness. Okay, so again, this one has that smiley face clip that holds it shut, and similar design, little silk ribbon bow there. Okay, and again, you have a little image there. The guest checks, again, 6 of them, 3 dyed, 3 not dyed. Your fabric scrap pack, pretty much the same scraps of fabric in there, and your paper scraps, again, very similar. Alright, and another of these, the clip on the back, and a little dangle. Owls, this one says toboggan, and this is another one that folds out like that. Okay, and again, clip like that, and your envelope, all your tags. Okay, and this one says mittens. Again, similar, more tags. And this little pouch as well has the butterfly, that tag, and the little notebook. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little share of all the winter embellishments. Okay, and for our final item of my winter collection, we have these 4 embellishment packs. Now these are essentially exactly the same, with very minor and slight variations in some of the images from the digital kits. But other than that, they're all exactly the same. So I will just go through one of them. And the packet is this fun envelope, fabric covered, tied with a crocheted chain stitch closure tie. And the inside is some vintage music paper. I really like these kind of envelopes. They're super fun. Okay, so we have all kinds of goodies. First off, we have this little reel of blue fibers. And we have this little pocket. It has this little metal, embossed metal piece and a rhinestone and some fluffy fibers underneath. And just a few little goodies in there. Alright, then we have a little oval. Each of these will be slightly different, but from the same kit. So this one says snowflakes, a little tag, another tag, and a third tag, different sizes. And then we have quite a few guest checks in different kinds. I'm going to pull these from the bottom so we can see all of those. So we have the 3, and these are lightweight paper. So we have 3 of that style undyed, and then 3 fun, grungy, coffee-stained ones. And I have all of those clipped together, the little triangle paper clip there. And then you have 3 of this style. It's kind of a pale green aqua color. And then 3 of the blue. And 3 of this kind of green and white stripe. So those are fun. Then you'll also get a mini journal, blank but pretty with the snowflake on the cover and some vintage ledger paper there too. And a scrap pack. This has the cardstock on the back, so this can be tucked into a pocket in your journal or tucked over a page in your journal, and it has all kinds of fun scraps in there, so you can cut away at those to use in your journal. And similarly is the scrap pack of fabrics. So you have some of this crocheted trim, some different tulle, some sheer fabrics, and cottons with snowflakes and more tulle. And that also has the cardstock backing on it as well. And then we have a little floating pocket, and that is the Tim Holtz slotted pocket die, I think it's called. And it has some little goodies tucked in there, and this one has the little bunny on it and a dangle. So all kinds of goodies, and then this is a fold out. Okay, And then some ephemera goodies as well. 3 each of these vintage tickets, and then 6 of these more modern tickets. And those are blank. These are fun to stamp something on if you like, or I also love cutting them apart. Sometimes I use the numbers in one place and the words in a different place, so that can be fun. So I love using tickets. And then I have some really pretty embossed papers included here. So we have 3 of this size in these kind of neutral colors. Really pretty embossing on those. And this one has the snowflake embossing. That's pretty navy blue. And then this one has 3 kind of strips of embossing. So if you want, you can cut these apart and put, you know, a strip somewhere in one place and then little snowflakes in a different place, whatever. However you want to choose to use it, or you can leave it whole and put it in your journal. Whatever you like. So that is what will be in these ephemera and embellishment kits. So a lot of handmade goodies, some ephemera for you to use, little scrap packs, mini notebook, lots of guest checks, and variety of tags, little pocket, and the fibers. So look for those listed in my Etsy shop. All of the links will be down below, and I thank you so much for staying along, checking out all the different videos with all the different winter journals and kits in my collection. And I hope you have had a good winter, and let's look forward to spring, and I'll see you soon with the new spring journals. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.